Welcome back to Joey's channel show. I'm gonna have a video where I'm gonna be putting random stuff in the microwave. And I got some first things to put in the microwave. A golf ball, a cloth, a can, and then a Roblox character, and then a bag of screws, and then some Christmas lights, and then some aluminum cans. So let's get in it. First thing we're going to do is this cloth, to see if it does anything to it or not. Just put it on for 3 minutes. That's too long. There we go. So far, it's not doing anything to it. So far. Yep. So far, nothing. Oh well. That'll happen right now. Oh well. Still not doing anything. It's probably gonna be a hot cloth once it's done. I would imagine it'd catch on fire, but I guess not. Oh well. If you're new to this video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up so I can get some more subscribers and some more likes on this video. If we can get 100 likes, that would be great. Just 100, that's it, on this video. Alright, still not doing anything. I'm gonna let it run out of time though, so we can see if something happens or not. But so far it's not doing anything. So looks like it's gonna rain outside a little bit. Stand back a little bit. Still not doing anything. Oh, time for something else. Yeah, it's not even warm. Guess this microwave really doesn't work, hardly. Shut up. I'm doing a YouTube video. Get out. Get out. Be quiet. Destroying it. A can of whatever that is. Mushrooms, whatever that is. Let's do 2 minutes. See if anything does anything. Well, it's just cooking it so far. No wonder why they threw this microwave away. It don't work. It doesn't do anything. It's really weak. Let's do the Roblox character. Restarting the time. Let's do 5 minutes. It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything at all. Oh, this video is a fail. Oh, didn't even do anything. Well, that sucks. This microwave's a piece of crap. No wonder why I threw it away.